Welcome to the next session in the Foundations in AI series. We're going to step into an exciting topic, AI agents. Think of these as your newest team members, designed to work tirelessly on routine tasks so your human employees can focus on higher value, creative work. AI agents are software programs capable of performing complex tasks. Unlike traditional software, AI agents can learn, adapt, and improve over time. They often act autonomously, meaning they don't require constant monitoring or manual input. You have likely already interacted with AI agents in your day-to-day life without realizing it. For example, chatbots and virtual assistants like Siri or customer service chat systems handle customer queries with a natural conversational tone. Task automation tools help with repetitive processes like invoice management or data entry, and recommendation systems that work behind the scenes to personalize content, whether that's recommending products on an e-commerce platform or suggesting movies on streaming services. These AI agents don't just follow instructions. They use data to make decisions that improve user experience or operational efficiency. AI agents aren't here to replace human jobs. They're here to amplify your team's efforts by taking care of time-consuming or repetitive tasks. Why are they invaluable? First, efficiency. AI agents work quickly and accurately, saving time on tasks like scheduling meetings or answering common customer questions. Second, scalability. Whether you're dealing with 10 customers or 10,000, AI agents can scale their operations without additional costs. Third, improved customer experience. AI agents also provide instant, personalized service. For example, AI customer support can troubleshoot problems or guide users through products in real time. Fourth, employee empowerment. By taking over mundane tasks, AI agents free up employees to tackle creative problem-solving, strategy, and innovation. Implementing AI agents requires planning and alignment with your business goals. Here's how to do it right. Start by mapping out tasks AI agents can handle best, like frequently asked questions, data processing, or real-time analytics. Go for platforms that integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. Look for customizability and scalability. AI agents excel at data-driven tasks, but they shouldn't operate in isolation. Teams should always monitor and refine these processes for performance and fairness. Train teams to work alongside AI agents so they understand how to optimize its capabilities and spot any shortcomings. AI agents promise incredible value, not by replacing the people you have, but by giving them superpowers to do their jobs better. Thanks for watching this session. Next, we'll explore how AI processes and improves data and why that's critical for your business.